Dear students, below the surface of earth, below 3.2 kilometers down the earth, the heat of that particular space is enough to boil the water. If you still dig 48 kilometers, the temperature would be 2200 degrees Fahrenheit. That means 1204 Celsius. This is enough even to melt rocks. So at the center of the earth, scientists believe that the temperature could be as high as 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That means 5,538 Celsius. So when rock melts, it expands and needs more space due to this heat. So when the pressure is greater than the roof of rock, it can endure and burst out, causing an eruption. When a volcano erupts, it throws out hot gaseous liquid called lava and solid particles that look like cinders and ash. The materials piles up around the opening and a cone-shaped mount is formed. This way volcanoes erupt. Best wishes.